In Oworonshoki, families watched bulldozer erase their homes in hours.
Just enter compound around 12, 8 feet around 12, they demolish without notice. Not even an hour notice.
Homes they built with sweat and years of savings. No title, no proper approval, no protection. This is the hard truth about real estate. If you skip due diligence, demolition can happen anytime. Government enforcement doesn't wait for emotions. The lesson? Before you buy, verify land titles, approvals, and zoning. A cheap deal today could become a costly regret tomorrow. Here is the question. If your home was marked for demolition today, what documents could you show to defend it?